Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the PayPal error message we are having trouble with this transaction in just 5 minutes. Have you ever tried to send or receive money on PayPal only to see that frustrating error pop up? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face this issue, but with a few calm, clear, and simple steps, you can fix it and get back to using PayPal smoothly. All right, let's jump right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to PayPal's official website, paypal.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the page and click it. Before you log in, make sure you're using a secure internet connection to keep your personal information safe. Next, enter your email address and password carefully. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check that Caps Lock isn't on unless it's part of your password. Once you're sure, click Log In to access your account. Once inside your account, it's important to visit the PayPal Service Status page. This page shows whether PayPal is experiencing any system-wide issues. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. It could be PayPal's servers, so check that first before making any other changes. If there are no ongoing service issues, the next step is to verify your payment details. Start by reviewing your card information. Make sure your card number, expiration date, and security code are all correct and up to date. Expired or incorrect card details are one of the most common causes of this transaction error. Also, check your linked bank account information. Ensure your account number and routing number are entered correctly. Even a small typo can cause the transaction to fail. Another key point, make sure your billing address matches exactly what your bank has on file. Even a tiny mismatch in your address can trigger PayPal's security filters and block your transaction. If everything looks correct, but you're still getting the error, it's time to check for account limitations. Sometimes, PayPal restricts accounts due to suspicious activity or verification needs. If there's a limitation, PayPal will usually notify you right away and provide clear instructions on how to fix it. Just follow their steps carefully. Still no luck? No worries. You can always contact PayPal's support team. Go to the Help or Contact Us section on their website, explain your issue, and they'll guide you through the next steps. They're super helpful and can look into your specific case. Once you've gone through all these steps, your transaction problems should be resolved, and you'll be ready to continue using PayPal without any hiccups. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more calm, clear, and concise tutorials. See you in the next one, and happy transacting!